Hello. So this is Sport Pulse. It is an event-driven option built on the Flare network, allowing users to trade the option based on the sports betting things, not just expiry date. Whether it's a sports match or any other event, you can bet on the event. So Sport Pulse creates parallel option market tied to each possible outcome. Traders choose the timeline they believe in, and only the timeline matching reality settles. Others are discarded with funds that are refunded to your own wallet. So this is Sport Pulse. You can get dynamic scenarios, bet on various outcomes that transform core sports event. Install settlements. Winnings are settled swiftly once the real world event concludes. Community-driven markets. Participant in markets proposed and refined by the sports community. So this is what sports pulse it is. So you have to choose an arena, like you can choose between the markets of football, basketball, esports, crypto game, dice, and fantasy leagues. So these are your arenas given. So traditional option locks all participants into a single timeline, which introduces a novel approach by allowing users to trade conditionally on a specific outcome of the real world sports betting. Each outcome has corresponding timeline with a fully functional market for hypothetical reality. So, and we'll connect our wallet. We'll set our plan. We'll set the arbitrage. Uh, it has also given an arbitrage model for us. So users trade option within the chosen timeline. Once the event concludes, Flare Oracle's infrastructure determines the outcome. Uh, Trades on the current timeline settles normally using FTSOs. The smart contracts are built on Solidity, and the Flare Oracle integration includes the FDC, Flare Data Connector, to fetch store event data on chain, and FTSO for the Flare Time Series Oracle. So we have to place a bet. So this event has emitted, so we can't do anything. So right now, so we'll go to home. We'll fetch the transaction ID for the previous data. So this is on the Flare Explorer. The contract is deployed on the Coston 2 and the Coston testnet both. So this was last time deployed. This is the logs which are getting created. So the option seller part is hard coded, but you can get the returns once the event gets occurred. Thank you.